You ain't talking now.
Oh, that's got wrecked. Well, let's start this episode off.
Welcome back to another episode of Smashing Good Deals. This one's going to be all about time. Whoa. Did you see that? It was a bird. So we got a little glass clock here. Batteries are dead, but who cares? We'll still smash it. We know how much everybody hates alarm clocks, and we're going to take out our fury on it so that way we don't have to hear these things ever again. Unless you're still working. I'm sorry.
It doesn't look like it works anymore.
It's completely useless at this point, wouldn't you say?
I'd say you can still use it as a paperweight. Who can read Roman numerals anyways? Oh well. Let's smash it. How am I gonna tell what time it is anymore? Look at all these pieces, man. That was some pretty thick glass. It's all gone. Oh well. Here's a pretty good chunk. Add this to the pile.
What are you going to add to the trophy?
And I don't think we have anything left to add to the trophy. We can add this to the trophy. Put this up here to. Jeff will have a timer. Ooh. It's a little battery. This might be the reason why it wasn't working. You know, we probably could have just replaced this battery.
Too late now.
I don't think it works very well. I mean, it's supposed to flash 12, right? It doesn't look like 12 at all. You're at 2. So turn on an alarm.
Okay. 2:01. So let's do alarm is at 12. It's gonna go off in a minute.
I mean, you don't need an alarm clock anymore if you don't have a job. Yeah, it's vibrating.
Is it vibrating?
I can feel it vibrate.
Ooh, that's not good.
I mean, we still have it plugged in, but it's kind of strange.
It might electrocute.
Oh, still, yeah, it's still vibrating.
It could potentially electrocute us, so
I think we should smash it
just to
again.
be on the safe side, let's just use a bowling ball instead. Let's concentrate.
So we're not touching the object?
Yep.
When it gets smashed?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, we'll use the bowling ball. You gonna clean the ball?
Yeah.
It was a whole sticky from last time, wasn't it?
Yeah. There's Pepsi all over this ball. Don't you ever clean your bowling ball? Is it still vibrating?
Still vibrating a little bit.
So if this catches on fire, it's not my fault, right?
Oh, the faceplate came off. Is it still vibrating? I think it stopped vibrating. I think it's ooh.
These things are pretty durable, so I'm guessing a lot of people have thrown these against the wall.
I know I would. Should I really be sticking my hands in here?
Not when it's still plugged in, though.
It's still plugged in. Here's the speaker.
Standing back.
Oh, that switch is busted. Well, this one's totally trashed. Okay, it's unplugged now.
So I'm glad you only stuck your fingers in there when it was plugged in.
You gotta hand it to the trusty bowling ball. Let's finish off the job. something you want to see us smash, go ahead and put it down in the comments below. Please like and subscribe, and as always,
We will see you next time.
thanks for watching.
Oh,
I got hit in the head with a banana.
it's still good. It's... Oh, it's just tomato.